Shalom and welcome to Biblical Hebrew Lesson 19. Today we're looking at vowels in a little bit more context. Please write these words down on your flashcards. In Biblical Hebrew, the conjunction ve, meaning and, often changes its vowel to u in specific contexts to facilitate smoother pronunciation. So this occurs before a beliable consonant. And a beliable consonant is found in most languages, and it's letters that are pronounced with both lips. In Biblical Hebrew, these letters are the bet, the mem, and the pei. This change also occurs for phonetic reasons. So the shift from the ve to the u before a beliable consonant eases pronunciation by preparing the lips for the upcoming consonant sound. The rounded lips required for the U sound smoothly transition into the beliable articulation. So for example, Yuven and a son, Yumelech and a king, Yupei and a mouth. Before any letter with a shua, so a shua indicates either a very short vowel sound or no vowel at all, leading to a cluster of consonants. A word beginning with a shua can create a difficult consonant cluster when preceded by ve. Changing to u introduces a full vowel, breaking up the cluster. So for example, Yushemeret and a duty, Yuketoret and incense. The primary goal is ease of pronunciation. Hebrew favors smooth transitions between sounds. The vowel of the conjunction assimilates to the characteristics of the following consonant or vowel sound. By changing the vowel, Hebrew avoids difficult or awkward consonant groupings. So the Qamats Qatan looks identical to the regular Qamats, which is T-shaped placed under a consonant. However, it is pronounced differently depending on the word and its position. Qamats Gadol, which is the regular Qamats, is pronounced as a long A vowel as in father. Qamats Qatan is pronounced as a short O vowel as in dog. The Qamats Qatan often appears in a closed syllable, one that ends with a consonant that is not accented. In such cases, the Qamats takes on the short O sound rather than the longer A sound. Qamats Qatan often appears in words where historically the vowel was holam but has shifted to a shorter form. A couple of words with Qamats Qatan: kol, meaning all, hokmah, meaning wisdom. The first syllable is closed and unaccented, so it's a Qamats Qatan. To distinguish Qamats Qatan from Qamats Gadol, look at the syllable structure. Closed syllables end with a consonant, and unaccented syllables typically indicate the presence of Qamats Qatan. Open syllables end with a vowel, or accented syllables usually indicate Qamats Gadol. For example, in the word katavta, the Qamats under the kaf is Qamats Gadol because the first syllable is open, not closed by a consonant, and is accented, so it is pronounced as a. In the word kol, the Qamats is Qamats Qatan because the syllable is closed, ending in the consonant lamed, and unaccented, so it's pronounced as o. Let's look at a few more examples. Itzkak, Isaac, and that's a Qamats Gadol. Hokmah, as we've seen before, it's a Qamats Qatan. Orma, because Qamats is before a shua, it becomes a Qamats Qatan. Shama is a Qamats Gadol. Tazva and Katav, these are Qamats Gadol, and Tokmeet and Mifol are Qamats Qatan. So remember that Qamats Gadol is pronounced as an A in open or accented syllables, and Qamats Qatan is pronounced as an O in closed unaccented syllables. Understanding the difference between Qamats Gadol and Qamats Qatan helps with proper pronunciation and meaning in biblical Hebrew. Remember to study, go over the flashcards, go over the previous lessons, and if you have any questions, please put it in the comments and I will respond as soon as possible. Shalom, have a great day.